I'm not going to interview anyone today, or I'm not going to be interviewed by somebody, but I'm going to talk about China's several false claims. In fact, East Turkestan's history was manipulated and distorted by China to advance its claim that East Turkestan is an inseparable part of China, and to advance its false claim that this territory was not nation state when China occupied. By saying that, China want to justify their legal ownership to East Turkestan. Sadly, the international community and the media, following this distorted history and defining Uyghurs and East Turkestanian people with false identity that created by China, such as China's Uyghur Muslims, China's Uyghur minority, China's Muslim minority, and not supporting Uyghurs who want to regain their independent country from China, seeing them as separatists, as if they are separating the China's territory. In fact, East Turkestan never had been part of China until Chinese Communist State, PRC, established in 1949.